So today we're going to show you how you can overlay an image in Premiere Pro, and it's pretty simple. All we want to do is have dragged our video and our image into our media pool at the beginning. If you don't know how to do that, we have a video on the channel about that. But either way, we have our image file here. It's just a random image. It's a screenshot from another video, but I thought it's an image, it'll do. So all we do is we drag this onto our timeline. Over here, you want to make sure that it sits on top and it doesn't go into the timeline like that. Just want it to have its own section. So as you can see here, if we drag that over, you can see now that our image is on top, and we can also do some things to change that, because of course that doesn't look good at the moment. So if we click on our image on our timeline, we can change down the zoom on that image and make it smaller, as well as changing the position of the image as well to put it where we want on our screen. Unfortunately, DaVinci doesn't have the same thing where we can just click on the screen like Premiere Pro. We have to do it this way. But once you get to know where you want to go, you can easily move the image around. So as you can see now, we have it in that bottom corner. And if we click play on our video, it'll stay there. Another thing you can do is you can stretch or unstretch the video. Compress it down to whichever size clip you want. So if we only wanted it here, we could have it just there. Or we could have it for the whole video. If we really wanted, we could zoom out here and just drag it to the end of the video, so that would stay on screen through every part of the video. So you can see that, there it stays. So that's how you overlay an image on a video in DaVinci Resolve. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.